To harness its potential, we must first conquer several hurdles. The journey begins with meticulous planning of our composition and movement are paramount. Whether using top-tier cinema cameras or smartphones, timing is crucial when capturing slow-motion footage. With our vision. The magic happens when action is slowed at the perfect moment, heightening emotional resonance. However, excessive use of slow motion can detract from the storytelling. It's essential to use this technique judiciously, ensuring it complements and enhances the narrative without creative slow-motion ideas that are both simple and visually stunning. The splash shot highlights the captivating dynamics of water, paint, or experimentation with angles and lighting can yield breathtaking results. The dramatic door open builds tension, ideal for horror and thriller genres, turning mundane actions into suspenseful moments. Our next idea, the running through shot, follows a character through dynamic environments like narrow alleys or crowded streets, a sense of urgency and excitement. Everyday actions like flipping a pancake or crushing ice become mesmerizing. Finally, my favorite, the reverse slow-motion shot, revealing hidden beauty in the mundane. This technique begins with sped-up action, suddenly transitioning to slow motion, creating a jarring and dramatic effect. Incorporating these slow-motion ideas will undoubtedly elevate the cinematic quality of your projects, leaving viewers in awe of your storytelling prowess.